Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Yvonne, and for today's video I am doing a quick living room tour. I really like how my living room looks, so I just kind of wanted to share with you guys like where I got some of the things, and also just for a little bit of decor inspo if you're in need of some. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys really quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you to my living room, and no, this is not my living room, this is like another portion of my house. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is what my living room currently looks like, and I really love how it looks. I recently added these pillows, those like golden yellow pillows, not that long ago for like a pop of color. Before I had some gray ones that were like original, some gray pillows that were original to the couch, and it just looked boring and didn't have any color. So now that I added these, I just love how they just pop out, and also I feel like it makes the green in the plants stand out, if that makes sense. But anyways, when I was planning this room or like decorating it, I kind of went for something that was kind of like simple, but yeah, you could switch and like you can add and take things to switch it up. Depending on like your decor style. And like for me, I wanted something like simple, kind of boho, kind of like something that was kind of like neutral in a way, but yeah, you could add a pop of color to make it pop. So go ahead and start with the couches. The couches I bought from Ashley Furniture, and they are the exact same couch. So I got two of the exact same ones, and the reason for why I got two of the same couches is because I had seen a picture on, I think, Instagram or Pinterest, and some lady had decorated it like that, and like I really loved how it looked with two of the same couches versus having like two different size couches. But yeah, I just really like it, and I got them in like this basic, just kind of like, I think it's like a beige, almost gray color, and like the material is cloth and it's very soft, and the cushion itself is also very soft, because I know sometimes couches, especially if you order them online, you don't know how they're gonna be, if they're gonna be soft or hard, but luckily these are really comfy. And it did come with pillows. Like I said, I think it came with like 5 pillows on each couch, and I still have the pillowcases, but I just didn't like them. It was all gray and it just made the couch look boring. So I opted them out for these. So all the pillows that you see here, I bought, they're actually pillowcases, and I filled them up with like that stuffing that you can buy like at Walmart or whatever, or like any fabric store. So I just did that because then you can kind of like mess around with how thick you want it, how cushiony you want the pillow. And so yeah, so these are from Amazon, and they did come in a set of 2, so like one for each couch, like a set of 2. And then this one, I just absolutely love it. I will be like linking them down below in case you're interested. These pillows also come in different colors. This one, like I said, it's like a golden yellow, and it has all these little pom-poms, and these pom-poms can be like fragile, like they can like fall off if you pull on it too hard. And this is Luna, and all these pillows have been Luna approved, right Luna? Okay, she is not feeling it today. And same with this one, it's also kind of like velvety, it's like super soft. And then there's this one. This one's kind of like it's a lot harder than compared to the other two, but it's still pretty soft. And it has more of like this like fluffiness, and it has like the little pom-poms on the side. And I just really like how they look. Like I said, you can switch out the pillows, and it just changes the whole look of the couch without you having to buy a whole new couch. So it's exactly the same thing on the other side. And then the coffee table is also from Amazon, and it is a faux marble material, and which is what I wanted, because regular like real marble tables can be really expensive and super heavy. And I didn't really want to invest that much money into a coffee table, and this one, I believe it was like $100. It wasn't too crazy expensive, but I'm really happy. I really love it. Same thing, I wanted something like that was neutral, and you can decorate it differently to change the way it looks, you know what I mean? And then so what I have on here I have this little tray that's from At Home. Same with this vase, it's also from At Home. And then this little grass, if you saw my summer vlog, I used this grass to like, you know, decorate in there too. But this is from Amazon. It was, I think, 100 pieces or so for like $7. I'm not 100% sure how much it was, but I will be linking it down below. But yeah, this vase, I really like how the way it looks. It's like kind of like sandy down here, just reminds me of sandy, you know, the beach. So I got it. It's also like a neutral color because you can decorate it and it almost goes with any color. And then this little snake plant, and it is a real snake plant. This is from IKEA, which I have not taken off the tag. And I have it sitting in a coaster, like a cork coaster. And this was a set of 2 that I also bought at IKEA. And then I also have more coasters right here. This one right here, oh yeah, that one's stained, I need to clean it. But this one right here, I made it. It's when I was practicing on making coasters. And I was wanting to make a round ones, but I could never really get it. And they would always like scrunch up and look like a bowl. So then I asked my mom to make me some, and she made me these really pretty ones. And I absolutely love them. The only thing is that they do stain easily because they are white. So in order to clean them, I do wipe them down because I'm scared that they'll shrink or like shrivel up if I wash them in the dryer. But yeah, I just keep those coasters there so that I won't get any like stains on the table. And then I keep my handy dandy lighter for my candles, and then, you know, my little remote for the fan. And then right here I just have this candle from Target, and it smells amazing. And then some cute little books. This is the one from Magnolia, which I recently found at a thrift when I went thrifting. And then also this book that I bought from Barnes & Noble not that long ago. I started reading it. I have not finished it, which I need to finish. But yeah, that's what I have right here. And also this rug, same thing. When I was looking for a rug, I wanted something that was kind of light and had some detail, but at the same time I wanted it to go with almost anything. And it is a shag rug, which is nice because it's like nice and warm, especially during the winter months. If you have flooring, it can get pretty cold. But yeah, I absolutely love this rug. It has been pretty easy to clean. I also make sure that when I do step over this, I don't have any shoes on, just so I don't like bring in dirt over here. But yeah, it's other than that, I've been like spot cleaning it, making sure that it doesn't get super dirty, and also vacuuming it regularly helps. But no, and it doesn't, I know like sometimes like some rugs like shed a lot, and this one doesn't shed, which is kind of nice because, you know, that's when I start to think that my rug is going to start to fall apart. But anyways, and then right here next to the couch I have a blanket basket, and this one I bought at Target a few years ago, and I just have some blankets in here. And the reason it's behind the couch, it's because these blankets really don't go with the decor, and so I don't want it to throw that off, so I have it hidden right behind the couch, which is nice. And talking about the couch, right behind it, I mean, I did leave some space behind it, so, you know, just to walk around. I have these Hexagon Shelves, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys have seen them in some of my videos. I have it like, you know, as a background. These shelves, my fiance actually made them, but you can get them off of Etsy, sometimes Facebook Marketplace. You'll find some on there. But yeah, I just have some plants on here, which I'll quickly go over. This is a ZZ plant. It's a low light plant. Brazil philodendron, which is also kind of like a low light to medium. But obviously, if you expose them to more light, they'll grow a lot quicker. Thrifted vase, marble queens propagation, and then this decor right here goes like that. It's like 2 separate pieces, and I actually got that at IKEA for like $7, I think. It wasn't that expensive, but yeah, it was like super cute. But yeah, I really liked it, so I got it. And then this is a neon pothos, and then a peace lily with a dry leaf, which I'll take off later on. And then moving on, in this corner I have my Wi-Fi mess, but I'm not gonna show you that. And then when we bought the house, the previous owners left these shelves here, which was kind of nice. But yeah, I just use them for plants because they're so high up. I'm like, I don't know what to put on there, so I just put plants. I have an orchid. This giant plant, last year I propagated it from one of my mom's plants, and yeah, it survived. It's gotten really big this year. And I have this one that I sometimes rotate because it gets burnt by the sun. And then down here next to the fireplace, I have snake plants. And I really like the look of this fireplace. I like how the black really stands out against the white and the very light gray that I have going on. And also the plants just add to it. And this is just granite tile. It's the same thing that's used in the kitchen, but I'm gonna leave this one. I really like it. If anything, I'll just change the trim just because that one's like kind of like orangey and I really don't like it. But anyways, this plant stand is handmade. My fiance made it. But yeah, this is snake plants. I love snake plants right there because this area doesn't get a lot of light, as you can see. Yeah, these snake plants are great right there. And this one's growing some babies. Oh, and I also have a little lantern right there, which you could barely see because it blends in with the fireplace, but I put it there because I didn't know where else to put it. And then I have these little candlestick holders right here. These are thrifted, they are glass. I just spray painted them this like charcoal gray. They do look black on camera, but they are like a charcoal dark gray or whatever. And then previous owners, I believe, made this kind of like console thing, but I don't use it. I do need to take it out so I could paint in here. As you can see, it's not painted in there because I have the TV on hanging from there and the TV's freaking heavy and I can't take it down. So that's why I haven't painted in there, and I'm also scared that the TV's gonna fall on me while I'm painting, so I'd rather not go there. So yeah. And also same thing, this vase goes along with the one that's on the coffee table, and I just placed it right here with some faux candles because I didn't know what to do with these candles, and added some grass. I do want to add a little bit more decoration right here or switch it up, but for now I really like how it looks. And then I have my long satin pothos just vining and vibing right here, you know, just a mind of its own. On this shelf I had those two little cactuses right here, but I moved them closer to the window because they love the sun. And then I just have these little frames. This one I already had from my previous house, so I just kept it up here. And then that's a picture of my siblings and me when one of them graduated. And then over here I have my thrifted bookcase from a few years ago, and it used to be red. I know, ill. And I painted it white. But yeah, it's just a cute little bookshelf with lots of books. Cute little decor right there, and then this monstera, which has a little yellow leaf, and then some random flowers that we just stuck in there because I didn't know what to do. But yeah, this one is super long, and I do want to start vining it up so I can start to trail up, you know. I feel like that would look really cute or something, but we'll see. But yeah, that's where I have this plant. I used to be on the floor, but we kind of got tired of having it on there, so we just moved the bookshelf and put it on there, which I actually like how it looks. And then over here I have my window, obviously, and then I have these curtains, and these are linen curtains that I bought off of Amazon, and these are 98-inch curtains by I think 54. And I love how at the top the little things that you use to hang it are like little separate ones instead of it being all the same, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I got it like in the natural linen shade, just because, you know, it's neutral and it'll just go with anything. And the curtain rods were already here, which is nice because I didn't have to buy any of them. And also I had some curtain rods from my previous house that I'm currently using in some of my rooms, you know, so I didn't have to buy anything new. The curtains were, I believe, like 30 bucks, and it was 2 panels, which is nice because most of the times you only get 1 panel, but I guess it just depends where you buy it. Same thing with the blinds. The blinds were already here. They're really nice because they're thick. But yeah, this is my cute, oh, and there's also a piano right here, or keyboard, which I don't know how to play. That's my fiance's. But yeah, I don't know how to play there. I have no musical talent whatsoever. I could barely sing happy birthday sometimes, but yeah. And then right here, of course, the most important decor of all are Luna's toys. Isn't that right, Luna? Look at her. Her favorite one of all is this little monkey. And I believe we bought this monkey at like Marshall's, I think. I can't really remember where we bought it. And then we just got her a pizza. No, she's not feeling it. So I got her a pizza at home, and then she's had this little avocado toast since Christmas. This was her Christmas gift, and yes, I give my dog Christmas gifts, right, Luna? But yeah, this is her little toy basket. I literally picked up her toys right before I started this video. But anyway, so right here are these little kind of, I don't know what you would call them. They're not really dream catchers. They're just, I don't know what to call them. They're just kind of like decor. But I did make these. I had thrifted the little rings, and these are like the sewing rings that people use when they sew like little designs on stuff. But yeah, it was 2 sets, and I just took them apart, and I bought some yarn and just made this, and they were super easy to make. Literally, you just tie the yarn on there and do whatever design you want. I got the idea off of Pinterest, but I want to say they used macrame cord, and I just used regular yarn that I just bought at Walmart. I just made sure that they were the same thickness, and that was it. I do want to switch it up, but I just don't know what to put on this wall. And then I do have this empty spot over here that I do want to add something to it, but I don't know what, because at the same time this is where the Christmas tree goes, because it's like a big little, it's a big area. I'm constantly like brainstorming ideas of what I want to do or want to add to the place, to this room, but for now this is what it looks like, and I like it. It's cozy. It does look a little bit empty in some spots, but that's okay because eventually I will add things. I mean, when you look at it from this side, you don't see the emptiness that's on either side, which is kind of nice. But yeah, I mean, if anything, I'll probably add more plants. That was my little living room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Most of the things that I got for this place are affordable, and most of them are from Amazon. Some of them are thrift. Well, anyway, I will be putting everything down in the description box below in case you're interested. And most of these pillowcases do come in different colors. Same with the curtain, there was different colors. But I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my little YouTube familia, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!